Okay, this is how you set up this camper, this pop-up camper. We're going to open up this here. Just put down these two latches. Lift this up. You're going to pull out your hand crank for the top. You're going to put that in here. You're going to take out this ladder. If you're a little shorter, you might need that. You're going to chock the wheel. And then we're going to use these braces, and we're going to use these to level the wheel and this to level the jacks. I've already got one jack down, it's level. We got a level here. There's also a level here, so you can go front and back and side to side. When you first take it off the vehicle, use this to get it as level as you can. These jacks are not to raise the trailer. They're stabilizer jacks. You just want to crank it down so it's tight, so the trailer doesn't bounce around on you when you're in it. You're not trying to jack up the wheel or jack up the whole trailer. You won't need this anymore. You can put this back in here. Then you'll need to close this. If you need to get back in here, you can get in here. Or there's inside the trailer, there's another door you can get in there. Once you slide this out, you can't open this. Make sure your gas is on, although it should already be open from when you took the trailer and started the refrigerator. Now you're going to take down each corner. There's one on each corner, this side and this side. Now it's ready to go up. It says up and down, so you want to go up. I like to stop part way, just double check, make sure nothing's hanging up, everything's loose. You should be good to go the rest of the way up. Just want to get to where it's tight. Don't force it. Once it's up, it's up. If it's tight, you can go down just a little. Loosen up just a little. Now, just pull one of these out. Just pull it so they snap in place. Do the front one and the back one. You see these strings here, you want these free. Just kind of walk around, make sure you're good. There's the other string. Pull those out. You just gonna, you can see here, this has got a corner on it. You just gonna want to put it right over this edge. And then there's Velcro underneath. Just Velcro that under. You'll do that on all four corners. Take this string with you, and it'll go under on the other side. Right here, there's just a little eyelet right here. Same thing here. Got a corner. Put that on the corner and underneath. Then we'll take one of these. See, one end is square and one end is curved. You want the curved end to go up towards the top. going to put one on this corner and one on the opposite corner. This is where a ladder might be handy. Unless you're taller. You want that underneath there because if it rains, you want the rain on the outside. Same thing here. Find the corner. Go down here. Just attached to the Velcro. Same thing with the string. Grab my other brace and bring it to the other side.
You didn't chock the wheel.
Yeah, I gotta chock the wheel When you take the chock out of the front compartment, you want to do that to the wheel. Put one on each side. There is one on the other side already. Okay, pretty much it on the outside. We're going to go inside. The door is a step. The outside door is a step. Welcome back. Go in here. First thing you're going to do is lift this up. There's cables and stuff under there. They just drop down that hole. And there's that. Then we have to put up the fabric here. You're going to go under here. Grab the brace. Put it on one end. Then there's two screws right here in the center. You just put it right between them. Push that on. And I put it right in the second. There's 3 slots here. The second one is pretty much where they always go. And you can make it tighter, but that's pretty tight. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. However, we need to set up the bed to kind of get over here. Take this off, kind of set it aside. Then this just slides right underneath. Right underneath there. Pull this forward. Flip this up. I have this backwards. There is a backing on this side. That should go up against there. Just like that. There's your seat. That makes a bed or a seat. Very comfortable. Same way on this side. Grab this. Slide that on there. Again, here's your center point. There's 2 screws or this slot here. Let that. Move that in the center. Push that out. And again, there's 3 bars there. Put in the center one. Okay, that's up. You can see on the outside, you can see opening. There's a flap on the outside that we'll have to fold down when we go back out there. You do that after it gets up. Take this off. This off. There's your table. Under here is your microwave. Microwave oven you can set up on the bench over there. There's also a bucket with a drain for the sink. Pick up the table. Undo the Velcro and just open it up. Set it right there. these back on. Again, there's a hard side and a soft side. You want the hard side against the back. This one has this that flips up. Hard side right there. That's the setup on the inside. Let's go over there. Now for the door. The door is very light, but you got to do it the right way. There's 4 straps, and on this end there's also cables. You want to do this end first and let it rest on the cables. Then you do this end and just kind of hang on to the door. It's not heavy. Just kind of let it come down. Now you're just sliding on the track at the top here. There's Velcro on the outside of the door that attaches to the outside fabric. Under here, you'll see a track. That's a track for the door. So you just get under this flap, go up, and set it in the groove in the bottom. And the door is in. And it just opens like a regular door. Now we'll go outside. On the outside, we'll just get this all Velcroed up so it's tight. You want to make sure it's tight. You don't want water coming in or bugs. Same way with these. This is where you saw the light on the outside. Get these on the outside. You see how it'll shed any water. As long as this is out like this, nothing on the inside is going to get wet. And it'll keep the bugs out. You do that on both sides.
Is there cleaning supplies in it?
In here, you have this cabinet over here, which has all your cooking supplies. Also on the outside door here is if you get pulled over because you're speeding, which you shouldn't be.
Don't speed.
Don't speed. Here's the registration for the trailer. So in addition to your paperwork you got when you rented the trailer, this is the other paperwork you might have to show if you have an accident or get pulled over. And that's how you set it up. At this point, the awning can come out, but I'll show that in another video, as well as the grill would attach here. And again, I'll show that in another video with more of the details of that. But that's your basic setup. That's all you need to. You're ready to camp at this point.